How to show followers on Facebook profile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to show your followers on your Facebook profile, then here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to your Facebook settings, that is profile icon at the top right corner, and just head over to your settings by scrolling down, and under the settings and privacy, just select settings. And once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see the option called followers and public content. As you can see, just tap on this, and always make sure that you have enabled this who can see your followers on your timeline to public, as well as who can see the people pages and lists that you follow on your timeline to public. So once you do all of these to public, just come back to your profile picture just like this, and once you're inside here, you should be able to see who followed you and how many people followed you. And if it's still not showing, you can simply tap on this edit profile button over here. Just click on this add details button over here, and make sure you have selected this follower option and check this followed option, and it will only be visible when you have more than 5 friends, because they need to follow you first to see this option over here. And just click on save, and once you do all of that, it should be shown something like this, just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.